Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We appreciate you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We are taking you on an exclusive home tour of a remarkable property built in just 4 months. And guess what? It costs only 7.5 million Kenya shillings. So let's dive right in it. This exclusive home tour is at the courtesy of the 47 Investment, a company that offers real estate solutions at an affordable rate in Kenya. Please join us in this home tour, watch until the end, share this video with family and friends, and let us know at the comment section what you think. And please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. This is a stunning 4-bedroom house with a dedicated office space in Juja, Kenya, along Kenyatta Road. Spanning 214 square meters, this home was built in just 4 months at an affordable cost of 7.5 million Kenya shillings. If you're watching this video on another platform other than YouTube, please head on to YouTube and search for Indulge Kenya TV to be able to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you so much. Here we are in the spacious living room, flooded with natural light from large windows. The semi-open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room, dining, and the kitchen areas, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for family gatherings and entertaining guests. We are now in the dining room that overlooks the living room and the kitchen. This dining room offers a kitchen bar and a hand wash sink and enough space to enjoy the family meals. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true. with enough granite countertops, double sink, a sleek design, ample storage spaces, and a walk-in pantry. It's perfect for preparing delicious meals. Just imagine the culinary masterpieces you could create here. The kitchen opens up to the backyard with ample space for outdoor activities and even a kitchen garden. And did I tell you that all the bedrooms in this house are fully en suite? This is true for this guest bedroom. Whether it's friends, family, or visiting colleagues, your guests will truly feel at home. This is the guest bathroom nestled under the staircase. This clever use of space showcases innovative design and doesn't compromise on style or functionality. As you said or descend this staircase, you are enveloped in an atmosphere of openness and serenity. The combination of the widow's view and the stunning railing creates a sense of harmony, making the staircase a truly captivating centerpiece. We are now in the dedicated home office space of this home. This dedicated workspace is perfect for remote work or running a home-based business. It's designed to inspire productivity and creativity, providing a quiet and professional environment right at home. We are now in the second bedroom of this beautiful house. It's spacious, fully en suite, and enough storage spaces in the wardrobe. Welcome to the third bedroom of this remarkable home, where comfort meets style in perfect harmony. Also fully ensuite and captures well the great workmanship of the 47 investments. It offers a sanctuary from the outside world. This is the master bedroom of this beautiful home. Behold the spaciousness, and where every detail has been crafted to create oasis of serenity. Adjacent to the master bedroom, a spacious walk-in closet awaits. It offers ample space to organize your wardrobe, ensuring you live a clutter-free environment. Adjacent to the walk-in closet is the ensuite bathroom. It's adorned with great fixtures. This master bedroom offers a charming balcony that invites the outside world in. It offers breathtaking views that surround you. One more level up of this flat roof home, it offers a great place for a hangout and great views of the neighborhood, and also a bathroom for comfort for your family or friends. And that concludes our amazing home tour. This 4-bedroom house, built in just 4 months for 7.5 million Kenya shillings, showcases the incredible work of the 47 Investment Company. When you're looking to build your dream home or investment property in Kenya, the 47 Investment makes dreams meet affordability. If you are interested to know more about the 47 Investment Company, please visit their website or contact them directly. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a good one, be safe, and be kind. Bye bye.